In this video, I'll show you how to sign up to SimilarWeb. So to do this, what you can go and do is click on the link down in the description, which will take you directly to this page where you can create your free account and you can claim a 7-day free trial. So after clicking on the link down in the description, you can choose to continue by entering your work email or sign up with Google or LinkedIn. I'm just gonna sign up with Google. And then from there, you have already created your account. Now you just need to go through the onboarding. So they have 8 questions for you. For example, what do you want to use it for? Then what is your job title? And a few more, so just gonna answer those questions. Now, after you do that, you can then choose which platform from SimilarWeb you want to use. For example, Amazon Shopper, Sales Intelligence, or Web Intelligence. Then click Start Trial. Now from here, you can invite your team members and you can choose which plan you want to use. So they have the starter and professional plan in this case. So let's say I want to use professional, then I can click try for free. And from here, you can claim a 7-day free trial by just entering your payment details and invoice details. And you can see the total due today is $0. And then you can see when you will be billed and for what amount. They can also do monthly billing, which is more expensive than annual, but you will not have to pay the entire year upfront. But from there, you can click start 7-day free trial, and then you will have signed up to SimilarWeb. Now again, if you would like to get started and go directly to the account creation page, you can do so through the link down in the description. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.